Hi guys, thanks for joining in the first video of our CONTROLLINO video series. My name is Ivan, I'm the marketing manager of CONTROLLINO, and from now on we will publish videos regularly that show you what CONTROLLINO actually is, how you can use it, show off some cool projects and more. So let's dive into it. So first things first, what is CONTROLLINO actually? It can basically be described in one single sentence. It's like an industrialized Arduino. It combines the open source nature and flexibility of the Arduino ecosystem together with the safety and reliability of industrial grade PLCs. Big companies like, for example, Sony or Volkswagen, or also institutions like the Massachusetts Institute of Technology or the Swiss Army use CONTROLLINO in their projects. As you might know, Arduinos are great for hobbyist projects, like if you want to control some LEDs or if you want to interface some 5-volt sensors. Arduino is perfectly fine for such a use case, but what if you need something more reliable and more safe, something with, for example, ESD protection or overvoltage protection? Or what if you need to apply your board to some critical environment, like an industry plant, where you really need safety by design and certifications and whatnot? CONTROLLINO is the perfect fit for such a use case. It allows you to still keep the flexibility and open source nature of the Arduino ecosystem, so you can still focus on what's most important, your project, while still not sacrificing reliability and safety. So let's talk a little bit more about its safety and industry features. First of all, as you can see, it has a very robust and hard packaging for protection, which is very important in an industrialized environment. What's also important is the DIN rail mounting, so you can mount it easily on a standard electrical or hardware box. The supply input is overcurrent and polarity protected and has a fast internal 30 amps fuse. The signal input is overvoltage and ESD protected. Now let's move on to the outputs. The digital outputs are short circuit, overload and ESD protected, and the relay outputs are also protected via an external fuse. The pin header connectors, the 5-volt ones that you see on the top, are overvoltage protected of up to 4000 volts. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for joining our first video. I hope you learned something new about CONTROLLINO. If you have any feedback on this first video, please write it down in the comments below so we can improve and get better doing these videos. If you liked the video, click on the like or the subscribe button to watch more videos in the future. In the next video, we will unpack this little guy a little bit more and show you more of the cool features it has. So stay tuned.